In this video, I'm going to review setting up a OneNote notebook for its created team the first time. In this example, I'm going to be using a class team, but it's the same for a PLC team as well. So the first thing that we do is we go to the team that we want to set that notebook up in, and along the top next to General and Files, we'll see Class Notebook. Select that, and it will open. Actually, I'm sorry, it first asks you to set it up. So we're going to set up the class notebook. It gives you two options: from an existing notebook or a blank. In this case, I'll use a blank. It explains what you'll get in the notebook. This collaboration space is a space where teachers and students can add content. The content library is where the teacher can add materials, but only the teacher can add materials or delete materials. The students can view and download stuff from the content library, but they can't make changes, add, or delete. And then the teacher only section is just as it says. It's a section that only the teacher can see or edit. And then the student notebook section is where it creates a separate tab for each student. From the student's view, the student would only see the collaboration space, the content library, and their individual section of the notebook. Now it defaults to 4 tabs: a tab for handouts, a tab for class notes, a tab for homework, and a tab for quizzes. Personally, and you can add more if you want, I don't like any of those. I add sections later, and I'll cover that and how to in the OneNote notebook section. I add those later. For now, I only want the students to have their name, their sections. And then select create, and it will get it ready. And as soon as it's ready, it will open in OneNote online. If you select the open in browser and drop down and click open in app, it will open the OneNote notebook. When it's finished opening, it will be open in your OneNote desktop app, and it will have your collaboration space, your content library, the teacher only section, and then sections for every student in your class.